TVJ Sports has been reliably informed that former World 100-meter record holder Asafa Powell has rejoined the MVP track club 4 years after quitting the Steve Francis-led outfit. Powell, who turns 35 next month, departed MVP in 2013 after being given an ultimatum to sever ties with his longtime agent Paul Doyle. Francis was openly critical of the role Doyle played in the circumstances leading up to both Powell and then-training partner Sharon Simpson testing positive for the banned stimulant oxylifrine at the 2013 National Senior Championships. Powell, a two-time World Championship 100-meter bronze medalist who began his professional career with MVP in 2003, is scheduled to begin training for the new season next week, Monday. His return follows that of 2008 Olympic and 2009 World 400-meter hurdles champion Melaine Walker, who returned to MVP this summer and resumed the training 2 weeks ago, having also left in 2013 to train in the USA.